Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Mr. 3D. In this video, we are gonna take a look at Lollipop Characters for Blender, which is made available by the folks at Zen Graphics. Lollipop Characters is an add-on and a growing library of stylized character rigs and assets for Blender. So let's take a look at what it has to offer. The library contains 10 stylized character rigs and a pet rig. We are gonna check them out later in this video. Also, each character has a library of clothes you can choose from. This library will expand over time for all characters and updates are free. And utility section is pretty cool too. It contains everyday objects that will bring more life to your scene. One of the coolest things about this add-on is they have character creation tools. This is a set of tools to aid in the character modeling process. This section contains 3 hands in different styles, noses, ears, and more. They also stated that they will be expanding this library to contain eyes, teeth, torsos, and more. And you can see the price map right here. If you go all the way down here, you can see what they are planning to add in the future. They will also add crowd characters library plus background animations such as walking, standing, sitting, thinking, talking on the phone, etc. Tons of stuff coming in future. With that being said, we are gonna dive into Blender and take a look at it. So open up Blender. Once you got your Lollipop Characters add-on, go over to Edit, Preferences, and install the add-on that you have downloaded from Blender Market. Once you install it, just simply press N on your keyboard. You will see that we have a new panel popped up right here. Click on it. You can see a Add button and a Clean Rig button. So if we click on Add button, we have 4 sections. So first one is characters, and you can see that they have made pretty good characters and they're all rigged, ready to go. And second, and they have tools to create characters, and they have utilities like skateboard, treadmill, scooter, chair, all that stuff. And they also have variables. So let's just select everything, press delete to delete it, and then go over to add, and under characters section, select a character you want to add. So for me, I'm gonna go with Grandpa. Select it, hit OK, and it's gonna add the character to your scene. Now you can see that a lot of weird objects popped up right here, but don't worry, you just have to click on Clean Rig button, they all will be cleaned. So now we need some clothes on our Grandpa. So click on Add, then go over to Variable and choose, let's say you want your Grandpa to wear a jacket. Just select it and click OK. Now you have it. And we also need some shorts, so let's go ahead and add those as well. So here we have them. Now go over to Eevee or Cycles, whichever you like. Then go over to rendered mode. Also add some lights. Now you can see that we have our character ready to go. Go over to viewport shading mode and then select your rig and do whatever you want to do with it. Also go over to Render Properties tab, enable Simplify. This will disable subdivisions on your every single object, so that the viewport is way faster to work with. Right now I have not parented clothes with the character. Now you can just simply animate, so on and so forth. Right now I want to make this video as short as possible. I don't want to pose my character, and I would also like to add a chair. So under utilities, select a chair and then import it right here. Now it's currently in beta, so there are some things that needs to be fixed. No need to worry about that. They're gonna fix those in the future versions. Then go over to rendered mode and you can see that chair also have some nice set of textures on it. Now you can also add your own textures if you want to, but this is how it looks. You can add multiple characters at the same time. Maybe just add some variables to this character quickly right here, and this is also rigged. Also, if you want to make your character grab some objects, you can use the Grab It add-on, which is also developed by the folks at Zen Graphics. If you go over to the link in the description, which will bring you right here, you can read more about Grab It. I also have a separate video on it. If you want to watch that one as well, I will leave the link in the description. So that's been it. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.